Do you often find yourself struggling to maintain focus throughout the day? Feeling fatigued and unable to stay alert? Would you like to have more energy to get through the day? The solution may be found in your kitchen pantry, specifically in the form of small black and white seeds known as chia seeds. Do not underestimate their size. These small powerhouses are rich in nutrients that can enhance your energy levels, support digestion, and assist in weight management. We look at 7 amazing ways that chia seeds can improve your health. Get ready for your body to do everything it can with the amazing benefits of chia seeds. Now let's talk about that gut of yours. Chia seeds are great for your gut system in many ways. Fiber absorbs a lot of water, which creates a gel that makes stools bigger and softer, allowing them to move easily. As you say goodbye to constipation, hello to happy bowels. Chia seeds are a good way to help keep your blood sugar levels steady. Their high fiber content slows down the rate at which sugar enters your system. This keeps your energy up and your cravings in check. There is a lot of calcium in chia seeds. Of course, these tiny seeds can help build strong bones and keep you from getting osteoporosis. What you might not know about chia seeds is that they contain a lot of omega-3 fatty acids. These acids can help lower bad cholesterol and lower your risk of heart disease. Put a few chia seeds in your breakfast to show your heart some love. Are you feeling like the sky is cloudy? It's possible that chia seeds can also help your brain function better. They are good for your brain because they have omega-3s and vitamins in them. It's like a power station for your mind. Want to get more protein? The chia seeds are a great pick. They have all 9 important amino acids that your body needs to build and repair muscle, making them a full protein source. This is a great snack to have after working out. Now let's talk about that surprising benefit we talked about. Chia seeds can make your skin look better. They protect skin cells from free radicals, which can damage cells and cause early aging, with antioxidants. Get ready to welcome a younger, more energetic version of yourself. There you have it. 7 amazing ways chia seeds can help your health. Many amazing health benefits come from these tiny seeds. They can help your gut, brain, and skin. You might want to try chia seeds. Sour cream, soups, shakes, and even your favorite baked goods can all benefit from them. There are a lot of possibilities. We want to know what you think about chia seeds. Feel free to share your best recipes and stories in the space below. Feel free to watch our other videos for more healthy eating tips.